Is your external component the Adobe Acrobat Helper 64 DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish those vital software links. This DLL file is a 64-bit helper library used by Adobe Acrobat. It facilitates hardware abstraction and communication between Acrobat's rendering engine and 64-bit system components for improved performance in PDF handling. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Acrobat DC to restore the Adobe Acrobat Helper 64 DLL safely. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Adobe Acrobat Helper 64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading the Adobe Acrobat Helper 64 DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing the Adobe Acrobat Helper 64. If your workstation is back online and Acrobat DC is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.